shot afterwards, he can take it back. So just throw your bodies at it if you can see it, because it's yours through death. Yep. Happy? Good stuff. If you can all line up for me for a team photo before we start, that'd be grand.
Oh, you're too far
Right
forward.
then, lads, gather in for me. If you're short, sit at the front.
We're going to sit at the front.
There
you go. We're tiny as well.
Go on, lads, come on. Get in. Perfect. Move in a little bit for me, guys. Thank you very much.
This is the first time I've read.
Right there. 3, 2, 1.
Shoot the marshal.
Cheese. Alright. A little bit more.
Okay, one more time.
Great. There we go, lads. Right there.
I played Airsoft for like 3 years ago.
Is that a blue team?
What?
Are you recording this, Kieran?
I think so. You can't tell with mine because it's all camouflage.
Everything's inside.
Yep.
My light's flashing blue.
Yes. So. Kyle's trying to shoot over the top of
I've already got one.
Is he?
Yeah, take my spot.
Smoke's out now.
What's the smoke? It's fine. Shoot goes around. I want to go.
Whoever that is with the AK who stood in my way, I would have shot him in the head.
That's most of you out. Seth, you're out as well.
Wait down, I'll be back.
That was nice.
That's what you're on about getting, isn't it? One of them.
Yeah. Hit! Touch him on the shoulder and pull me back.
One more in this container.
Freddie, how far did you guys get before you got taken out?
Oh, about 5 more minutes. There was about 6 of them pushing around. So you got the turns and container. I was there, he was there. One of them walks through. I shot straight through. Freddie got about 3 of them.
Nice.
2 or 3 of them.
Kyle got a couple through Echo Base, and then one of them threw a banger and wiped out 5 of them in one shot.
Yeah, and then Freddie got shot in the leg, and I got shot. Freddie got shot in the arm, and I got shot in the leg.
Cool. Make sure you reset your armband if you haven't used it. Careful, one in the corner there. He's laying down low. He's moved. Nice. You almost got me laying down then.
You weren't feeding.
Ah. Coming through, just 1 sec.
They're in the field next to us.
Okay.
And also right at the back. Right at the back, right in the window.
Yeah. Problem is I'm steamed up already.
Back. One pill. Break.
Is that in range?
Yeah, good end.
Dead. How many have you seen? One's dead head. They're all pushing up from here, so there might be more to the left.
Why is purple hat?
There's a lot of people there.
Oh, go away.
Marshall coming out, Marshall coming out, Marshall coming out.
Post it round, yeah?
Wait, can I get behind you? I'm gonna hop over and then.
Oh, sorry. Shoot the immediate one because he's already dead. Hit! Someone touch me in the shoulder and pull me in, please.
It's bouncing through there.
Dead man.
There's so many of us, it's just run at them.
I can't see. If I got a respawn band up here,
Yeah, do.
could you just Valkyrie? Kyle, your camera tilted just a little bit. Back a bit more.
You're still sitting there.
That's annoying, because I must have hit that ages ago. He's been facing the wrong way the whole time. For a long time, anyway. But
Does mine look straight?
yeah.
Cool.
Yours is. I learned a valuable lesson that you mustn't spend too long looking at a ghillie suit to figure out if it's your team or not, because it wasn't my team.
Oh,
I think it might have even been you actually. I spent too long looking at you, trying to figure out what colour you were, and then over by the runway, and then I just got a little.
I might have been there, yeah.
It was you.
Yeah. I always go with the arm. With this right, it's not my colour.
that's a good point actually.
I couldn't see.
Yeah.
I couldn't see your shape. I could just see. I knew there was a ghillie suit.
Big
there,
shape.
I just couldn't. And I was looking. I was like, well, I don't want a team kill. And
No, I just, you can't, not sure.
before I realised it was too late.
Clear and safe, yeah?
Yeah.
We're much closer to number one than they are.
One person, Seth. Seth, keep an eye on it. Okay.
Kyle, there's people coming up to the left, be careful!
Shh. Keep your voice down.
Yeah, they're to your left.
Shh.
Gone up. Now's the time to go up, mate. Fucking hell.
Yeah, that's all of us.
3 dead!
Coming out! Dead man coming out!
That was epic though.
That was it.
I shot my guy, the grenade went off on me.
I prefer to say close quarters.
Fucking Ramboing it. Right.
Back we go.
Oh, that was a good trade. Well,
Do you have a medic band? Do you have a medic band?
Yes, I do.
Thanks, sir.
that was a good.
Hold on, Kyle. Can you get your medic band out?
My hero. Where are they?
I can talk now. I can't talk till I've got my band on. Just straight opposite us and round the left.
Hard left. He's dead.
You got 3 of us earlier, nice shot.
It's not actually an impact grenade, so
No?
it went off on impact.
Okay.
Yeah, they're wicked, them. I've got one as well. Timed beautiful.
Well, sometimes if it impacts too hard, it just goes off, which is what it did that time, so not ideal.
Well, it was about 4 minutes ago you got 3 of us with that one.
Oh yeah, I spent the entire time trying to reload it.
Yeah, it was right up here. clear so far, Carl.
I'm going to push on.
Yep, right there.
That's definitely a banger.
That's good. Alright, come on then.
Watch out, there might be an aid coming. Dead!
He shot me in the neck. It's already gone. It's already gone now. Okay. That's what's dirty.
Don't mind me, Marshall, I'm just using you as a shield.
Right, I'll go back over there in a minute. I just want to see what's going on over here. Sorry? What is that?
Don't know, but it was really fast.
Oh,
Whoa! I see all those flying over. Oh no! Talk about a volley.
you know if there's any down there? Ready?
Yeah.
I got you.
Awesome. Thank you very much. All right, somewhere on my strap. From. Hit. You want to risk touch me and pulling me back? If you do, pull me further back. Yeah. Thank you. It's almost over, isn't it?
Yeah, I think we've got like 2 minutes maybe.
Yeah, I think I'm going to head back.
That's going to be the hardest to take. If we have all of us there, don't they also have to wait in the other zone for 10 minutes? So that gives everyone time to actually come over.
No, I was just saying about if we just take that area there and hold
Basically,
it.
if you can hold, because it goes there, one, and it's in the centre of the first part of it. Well, this part of Echo.
Yeah.
Just coming in. If you can hold two, you stop them from going anywhere.
Where's 2? Oh, that's
Two
by
is the
Echo and
back
that,
one.
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
literally
Okay.
backside where you come in through that way. You've got literally the first one
We'll
coming
need
in.
some runners to get there.
You need to hold that, because
Yeah.
if you can hold that, you stop them straight at that point.
Okay.
But that's your main aspect of it, is if you can hold that.
Careful, there's one right on the edge inside. Sorry.
What?
He's not dead, so careful the guy by the tank.
Is the guy in that vehicle, Martin?
By the tank, you mean?
Yeah.
He's alive, so he's an enemy. He sees us. He put his arm up. Oh, he's got his arm up now. Hit!
felt something. There's two mazes, isn't there? There's one
As soon as I die, I'm going to go out and change my eye pro.
Okay.
Because literally, I didn't even see you. Like,
Are you out?
You shoot.
Medic. That was a good shot. You haven't nailed that one.
I don't know where I don't know
either. Oh, I know. You got it. That was
I'm pretty sure it's the guy on that tank. You should get him a flag.
We blame you.
We push it. Can flash left?
as soon as he stood it out, I was like,
Yeah. Careful, someone down there. I didn't see it. You got a mediband?
Yeah, yeah, I have actually.
Right, do you want to use it?
Yeah.
Right, you ready?
You're gonna die, you're gonna die.
Let's go, go. Did you get hit? Let's go back over here. I don't know how that didn't hit me.
he's too dead.
behind that tank.
It ricocheted off his head.
Yeah.
Come on, bleed out, you two. No revive for
Earlier.
You're dead, boss.
Damn!
Now you are. 1, 2.
Worth it.
Nice.
Worth it.
He died.
We're dead. We can't be revived. Oh, damn it.
It needs to be on semi.
Yeah. Out here was fine, but now we're pushing in. Yes. You dead? Hit! Someone get me a medic. Pull me in. Alright, strap on here. Oh, hang on, Kate. Alright, hold it. Got it. There's 2 on that corner there. Damn it! 3 dead!
Oh, sweet. Look. Hold your dead.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm dead.
One kill.
One.
Game over.
That was a bit slow, you're right. Alright.
Is he falling or what? Don't shoot the blue one there, because he just he tried to run it but got hit a bullet on it.
There must be a guy on the bush now, holding him.
I'm convinced they're firing here.
Oh, it's firing, mate. I can see it.
I got one, he was running out in the open, shot him.
Kyle, watch your shoulder, mate. Kyle, watch your shoulder.
Getting 2 on the left, behind the dead player. Getting 2. Yeah, getting.
He's dead.
See anyone? I'm scared.
Not yet.
If you try and cover me, I'm going to try and run forward.
Yeah, where are you going? Right, enemy straight ahead.
We're a bit of a sticky situation.
Is that an enemy here? Okay. Hit! Yeah, pull me back. Pull me back, pull me back.
Yeah, see that white hoodie there, yeah?
I can medic you.
I can't see it, can you see it?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Just hold it, that's it.
There's another one on him.
They're on the tanks as well.
Our team to the right is going up. Try and cover them.
Hang on, let me get to...
Hello.
Are they pushing up? No, Seth, let me take that position.
Got the flags on the left.
I think
Yeah, we did.
this one here is one of the only ones we've got left to get.
This one right here?
Yeah, the one down there.
Oh, what? Their spawn one?
Yeah.
Yeah, roger.
Why is there random smoking?
I don't know.
Oh, there's people on the runway. Keep watching that left one. I see him.
Just got two on that corner there. That sounds long.
Right, it's only 100. Well, careful, your left shoulder, someone's taking shots at you.
Keep your medic
A BB just flew over your back of you. That's why he got jammed.
I will, he's got on top of that tank over the sniper.
Is that somebody's gun?
No, it's that.
It's me.
Oh, it's a gun.
Yeah, rapid fire. Rapid fire back into the mag.
I'm going to peek up from here. Left.
Careful, they're flanking, Seth. Push straight ahead of you. Come on, need more mags.
You see fold heck.
Oh, Jesus, I realised that. That's why it's out of BBs in there.
Sniper in the tree.
Okay, I'm going there. Can you cover me?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go careful on the back side of the bush where the high is. There's a sniper.
Okay.
They just cannot get him. He's sat behind a tree. You good? Is there one on the truck?
Oh.
Huh?
Is there one on the truck?
Yeah,
Oh,
next to the flag, yeah.
speedo.
The truck next to the flag is one on it.
Can't believe my other speedo broke. This speedo.
Someone keeps hitting the door.
Where was it?
Just there.
Oh yeah.
Hit!
Can you be medics?
Nope, I'm dead. Good luck, guys.
Yeah.
Damn it, he got the flag.
Did we get him?
He got it though.
Oh, I just got this thing again.
Yeah, there's a sniper.
Yeah.
Someone medic me, please.
Same here, please.
Cheers. That was straight ahead that way, that shot.
No, there's a sniper. He's literally sat at the top of the CBRT.
Okay.
But it's literally the way he's put himself. It literally just looks like the netting on top of the CBRT. It's him, because I've seen him move. I've seen a sniper.
Right. Figures if you don't get that flag. Right, the guy who was in the bush on there is taken out. We got to get that flag back.
Where is it?
Behind that tank on the left hand side.
Okay. If I sprint up.
To the left, out. That would be fair.
I might try to sprint up to the APC.
Okay.
Right in the tail. So when are you cutting it?
Last mag.
Was that a hit there?
Oh, hit. Medic.
Someone medic him. Hit!
I got him.
There's just under 10 minutes left.
There's a flag up there that we've just lost. I managed to shoot the dude that was changing it.
Okay.
But,
Our flag by the tanks are still red. Can we go through Echo behind it?
Well, so what I've just been doing is walking up that way, crossing the road, and there's a flag. You know where we normally spawn up
but
there?
what I'm saying is there's a shit ton of them at Echo and they're just looking this way.
Yeah, we can go around behind it. I did that earlier.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
That's the thing.
There's a flag.
Huh?
There's a flag over
Yeah.
there. What colour is it?
It's blue, isn't it?
I don't know. It is. Let me go check.
Right, gun.
This is, yeah, we're going to come out on that path. Where the fence is.
Yeah, you got me stomach, that's good. Hey, Kyle, come and get me. I got killed with friendly fire.
Sorry, buddy.
That's fine. I'd rather you shoot and... Thank you.
Yeah, lovely. Red's here. I don't know about this one.
That one's red.
They were at the end. Have you cleared the bottom end?
Yes,
You have.
At the end of there.
What about the...
I'm not sure about that.
We've not been down there.
Kyle? Oh. They're dead. Is there any more though? Watch out!
Red. My dad.
How many did you see? How many did you see? Okay. Watch out, I'm going to cross you.
What? How did I...
So they what, that way?
They were literally in there, they must have got back. No, they're in there. You see his hand? He's probably dead. Or isn't he? Literally right there. He's on the floor, but I don't know if he's dead.
Okay, I can't actually see who you're on about, but...
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. It's over.
Oh, game over.
Oh, right, okay.
Woo! I tell you what, should we... Hang on, so we go
Way
safety...
more powerful.
Okay, try that. That reset the programs that I've done on it.
That's ridiculous. That feels like it's coming out way more than
Well,
speed of mine.
It's nearly... It's...
Full auto.
Right, yours is coming out really nice and straight. That is not. You try it one more time.
I'm trying to single shot.
At the top. Now do it to the corner, isn't it? It's not too bad, but you can see what I mean. It curves up, down, up.
Feels very good though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not on safety. Start.